So finding our strong seat, our relaxed seat. So allowing ourselves to touch the body with our awareness. Just noticing the sensations in your body. And as you do that, go ahead and slowly turn your focus to your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Just allow yourself to watch this process. And see how it makes you feel to just breathe like this. When thoughts arise, we can allow them to arise and gently bring ourselves back to the breath. Watching each full in-breath and each full out-breath. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I'm curious to see how it went for you. And if you're enjoying the channel, I would love it if you could subscribe. And if you have any questions about the material I covered today or on any day, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Have a great day.